Want to know how to customize your SuiteDash account to fit your business needs? In this quick explainer, I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps that will help you unlock the full potential of SuiteDash and make sure it's tailored to your exact requirements. Stick around because by the end of this video, not only will you know exactly how to personalize your SuiteDash account, but I'll also share a powerful alternative that might be a better fit for some businesses. First up, let's dive into the branding options. SuiteDash offers a wide range of customization here, allowing you to upload your own logo, adjust color schemes, and even modify fonts across the platform. This means you can make the software feel more like your business. Whether you're dealing with clients or working internally, these visual tweaks will help reinforce your brand identity. But remember, not all businesses need the same level of branding customization, and while SuiteDash gives you some flexibility, it's not as robust as other platforms. Next thing, custom fields and forms. SuiteDash offers the ability to create custom forms and fields for your clients. This is crucial if you want to gather specific information, whether that's for onboarding, client questionnaires, or invoicing. By utilizing the Forms and Fields tool, you can streamline your workflows and ensure you're collecting the data you need in the format you want. However, if you're dealing with complex or multi-step forms, you might find SuiteDash a bit clunky when compared to other more intuitive alternatives. The third thing you can do is automation and workflows. SuiteDash lets you set up custom workflows to automate tasks like client onboarding, email reminders, and document sharing. While this is a great time saver, it's worth noting that the workflow builder in SuiteDash isn't as flexible or visually easy to use as some of the competition. If you need complex automations or a visual flow builder, this might feel a bit limiting. Now, let's talk about permissions and user roles. This is where SuiteDash really shines, especially if you're working with a team. You can easily assign specific roles and permissions, which allows you to control what your team or clients can access within the system. Whether you want to limit access to sensitive information or give clients access to specific modules, SuiteDash makes it possible. But it's not perfect. Some users report that setting up permissions can be a little complicated, especially for larger teams or more intricate permissions. The fifth thing, client portal customization. SuiteDash provides you with a client portal where you can share important documents, invoices, and more. What's great is that you can customize this portal with your logo, colors, and content, giving your clients a seamless, branded experience. However, it's not as customizable as some higher-end alternatives that offer complete flexibility in how client portals look and operate. So, here's the thing, SuiteDash is great for small to medium businesses that need a comprehensive platform for client management, invoicing, and automation. But if you're looking for a more user-friendly, highly customizable experience, especially if you need more advanced automation and integrations, there are definitely other tools out there that might be a better fit. Before we wrap up, I've got an exciting offer for you. If you're still set on SuiteDash, we've got an exclusive link for you to get an extended free trial. Plus, you'll get extra benefits that are only available to our viewers. However, for those looking for a smoother experience and better customization options, I'll link to some amazing alternatives below that also offer free trials. Check them out and see which one fits your business goals best. Click through the link in the description, get your exclusive free trial, and start customizing your platform today.